السلام عليكم ورحمة الله وبركاته. ربي اشرح لي صدري ويسر لي أمري واحلل عقدة من لساني يفقه قولي. بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم. Welcome back to our lessons for Medina book 1 and we are now in the lesson 17 inshallah. We are going to start lesson 17. As usual, we start with a dialogue or a paragraph first, and then we start the exercise, inshallah. This is the part 1, and we are going to start, inshallah, with the paragraph. We have 13 sentences that we are going to first translate, and second, we are going to do Arabic, inshallah. Okay, let's get the board full. Inshallah, Bismillah. Number 1, it says, okay. It says, أبواب المسجد مفتوحة. The masjid's doors are opened. Full stop. Second one is a question. لمن هذه البيوت الجديدة? To whom belong these البيوت الجديدة? To these new books. Houses. بيوت هي لمدير الشركة. They are or they belong to, they are for the director of the company. The director of the company. Number 3. النجوم جميلة. The stars are beautiful. For those who are confusing here with a feminine singular joined with plural, we did the lesson 16, should review the lesson 16 and he will or she will understand why we don't say النجوم جميلات or جمل. We say that for no عاقل, the plural of it match or deals with feminine singular. As pronoun هي هذه adjective جميلة سهلة خبر صفة, all they take the feminine singular. Okay, so just this is to open the brackets. Those who didn't follow the last lesson you have to look at the lesson 16 first and they can understand the lesson 17. Okay, we are not going to come back to this. We are doing only the translation here. Okay, so هذه الدروس سهلة. هذه is اسم إشارة للمؤنث المفرد singular feminine. الدروس is plural but it's no عاقل. سهلة is the adjective الخبر for feminine singular. They will do feminine singular with el plural, okay, because it's no عاقل. Okay, this was studied in lesson 16 inshallah. Okay, these دروس are سهلة. These دروس are easy. Number 5. في الهند لغات كثيرة. In India there are many languages. Number 6. أين الكتب الجديدة? Where أين الكتب? Where are the new books? هي في المكتبة. هي not she not it they are. Okay. الكتب the books they are in the مكتبة. In the library. Number 7. تلك السرور مكسورة. تلك not أولئك. These beds السرور are مكسورة. broken. Number 8. الساعة اليابانية رخيصة. The Japanese watch is cheap. رخيصة cheap. Number 9. هذه الحمر أو الحمير للفلاح. These donkeys belong to the farmer. 10. أين كتبكن يا أخوات؟ أين كتبكن؟ Where are your books? Your is used here. كن is your. used it's ضمير متصل بالاسم, which is of course مضاف إليه, and it's for your plural feminine. 3 and more. Where are your books? Oh sisters. هي في الفصل. They are in the classroom. Number 11, and we have to zoom in to make space. هذه كتبي وتلك كتب أختي. These okay, it's غير العاقل. we don't say أولئك or هؤلاء. These books are mine, or these are my books. هذه كتبي. These books are mine, or these are my books. Okay, then. And تلك, those are yours. Okay, try to zoom in a little bit. Okay, you should have space. 12, number 12 is هذه مكاتب الطلاب. مكتب. What مكاتب? هذه, these are the students' desks, plural. Full stop. 13 is في هذا الشارع فنادق كبيرة. In this road, in this road there are many فنادق, hostels. Okay, this should be okay. Is this okay? If we make it bigger, it should be okay, yeah? Yeah, they should be okay. By this, you can look at them. Okay. I think that's better, yeah? The masjid doors. Okay, now we go for... We take a bit up. Okay, now we go for, inshallah, we go for our i'rab. As usual, we do i'rab as simple as possible. We start with the mubtada, okay? Any, review. Any sentence starting with an ism is called جملة اسمية, and it has مبتدا خبر. أبواب لمن هذه هي مبتدا. النجوم هذه. So we have في الهند لغات, وفي الهند is خبر مقدم. Okay. أين الكتب؟ أين is مقدم خبر. تلك الساعة هي. This إعراب is bit easy. Okay. هذه. أين كتب؟ الكتب هي it is الكتب. هذه وتلك هذه. أن في هذا الشارع فنادق. Okay. These are خبر is مقدم. We go for الخبر now. أبواب المسجد مفتوحة. المسجد is مضاف إليه. لمن is خبر مقدم. هيا لمدير. النجوم جميلة خبر. The red is خبر. هذه الدروس سهلة. الدروس we have to do البدل. في الهند جار ومجرور. جار ومجرور في محل رفع خبر مقدم. أين is خبر. تلك السرور مكسورة خبر. الساعة اليابانية رخيصة خبر. هذه الحمر للفلاح خبر. أين it is في الفصل the same. أين or في الفصل is the same. Not the meaning is the same. Is the same إعراب and is the same answer. أين where في in the classroom. Okay, we did this before. هذه كتب. كتب is خبر. كتب is خبر. هذه مكاتب. مكاتب is خبر. and في الشارع or في هذا is خبر. Okay. So we go for البدل. البدل that we learn so far is any اسم coming after اسم إشارة. البدل. هذه البيوت. هذه الدروس. تلك السرور. Sorry, السرور. هذه الحمر or الحمير is just translation. You can do this or you can say as well it is البدل. Okay. هذه الحمر or هذه الحمير. It could be البدل as well. أين كتبكن؟ هذه وتلك مكاتب في هذا الشارع. في هذا الشارع is البدل. We go for مضاف إليه. If we do مضاف إليه we don't do مضاف because it's obvious. أبواب المسجد. Okay. المسجد is مضاف إليه. أبواب is مضاف and it's مبتدا as well. البيوت لمدير الشركة مضاف إليه. لغات كثيرة. أين الكتب الجديدة؟ هي. Okay, sorry. We didn't do خبر هي. هي في المكتبة. المكتبة is خبر. We come back to المضاف إليه. كتبكن. يا and هي. كتب أخت and يا as well. Okay. Here we have أخت is مضاف إليه. مضاف of كتب and it is sorry مضاف إليه for كتب and it is مضاف. يا is مضاف of أخت. Okay. مكاتب الطلاب. مكاتب الطلاب is مضاف إليه. Okay. So we go for we didn't forget anything. Yeah. الصفة النعت. البيوت الجديدة. Be careful here. الصفة follow. We have 4 characteristics. Okay? You have to be careful. Don't confuse yourself. الجديدة is مفرد. البيوت is جمع. It doesn't mean it doesn't follow, but الجديدة هي means جمع. Okay? المعرفة البيوت معرفة. الجديدة معرفة. البيوت مرفوعة. الجديدة مرفوعة. البيوت. So here we have a gender and a number. البيوت is masculine masculine plural. الجديدة is feminine singular, but don't look at this, okay? Because it's al-jadidatu singular, but it means a sifat of al-masculine plural, okay? So you have to be careful here. في الهند لغات كثيرة. كثيرة الصفة. الكتب الجديدة الصفة. الساعة اليابانية الصفة. فنادق كبيرة الصفة. Okay? And we have what we call يا أخوات حرف نداء and منادى. That's it, yeah? الحمريات could be البدل as well, okay? So do it as the blue one. Means you can replace this and this. الحمر is just between brackets, okay? It's not on, but we put it البدل for you. Yeah, for you put البدل, okay? Because we can replace الحمر الحمير. Just it's the explanation of. Okay, الحمر. Okay, there is no blank. Okay, we finish with this. If you want to stop the video to check again, green is al-mubtada, red is al-khabar, the blue is al-badal, the purple is al-mudaf ilayh, the orange is the sifa, and ya akhawatu is munada. Okay, harf nida and al-munada. Good. What do we have next page, inshallah? We have here, they told us to do أين الكتب الجديدة. Okay, we do not do a translation here. Here they say to أجب, to answer عن الأسئلة الآتية, these following questions مستعملا using الضمير هي الضمير المنفصل. Okay, so what we need first Arabic, to write in Arabic. And we have, so because before we start, we have to get the board because we have 10 sentences. Okay, so we need to أين الكتب means we are going to do he. Yeah, one is here, and we are going to say where it is. Okay, here في المكتبة, for example. Okay, you are free to answer whatever you want. Here في المكتبة. Second one is أبواب السيارة مفتوحة. نعم or لا هي مغلقة. لا هي مغلقة. Okay, مغلقة. I said this exercise is not related to the paragraph, but it's up to you how to answer. أين الكلاب. 3 هي means الكلاب, we replace الكلاب by هي في الحقل. they are in the field. 4 أين كتبك يا مريم. هي في حقيبتي. 5 if you answer by yourself, don't follow me, try to get your own sentences. Okay, okay, so sorry about this. So we have to 3 and 5 and 7, yeah, and now it's 9. 9 is أين الفنادق الصغيرة؟ هي في ذلك أو في تلك القرية. okay. هي في تلك القرية. Number 2, we come back to 2. 2 is أين؟ لا، لمن هذه البيوت؟ هي لعمي. هي لعمي. 4. أين أقلام المدرس؟ هي فوق مكتبه. مجرور. فوق مكتبه. Okay. 6. Yeah, 6. We still have 6. 8 and 10. Yeah. أين الحمير or أين الحمر؟ هي في الغابة. الغابة is the forest. Yeah. 8. أين دفاتر الطلاب؟ هي في البيت. means they forget it. لمن هذه الأقلام الجديدة؟ هي لي. easy. okay. 10. good. Is okay by this, yeah? But okay, now if you don't mind, we go to the translation, inshallah. We translate this for you and we finish, yeah? Okay. One is هي في المكتبة. They are الكتب. They are in the library. Number 3. أبواب. No. They are closed. Number 5. هي في الحقل. They are in the field. Number 7. هي في حقيبتي. They are in my bag. Number 9. هي في تلك القرية. They are هي أين الفنادق. They are in that village. Number 2. Yeah, number 2. هي لعمي. They belong to my uncle. Number 4. Okay, yeah, number 4. هي فوق مكتبه. They are on his desk. Number 6. هي في الغابة. الحمر. The donkeys are in the forest. Number 8, and we finish next. هي في البيت. They are home or at home. They are home or at home. They forget them. And number 10 is هي لي. They الأقلام, yeah. They capital belong to me. If you remember, we did the لام الملك لي. Okay. Okay, by this, inshallah, we finish all the translation and the, okay, we have them, inshallah, here. No, leave it like that. Okay, so inshallah, by this, we finish the lesson of today. We hope that this lesson is benefit for you. You did understand it, inshallah. If any comments, inshallah, don't hesitate to contact us, to write to us, to ask your own teachers in your own group, inshallah. So by this, inshallah, we say Jazakumullah khair for watching us. Thank you very much. Don't forget to spread these videos if others want to watch it as well. And if people want to join with us, they are welcome. And Jazakumullah khair, and see you in the part 2 of this lesson 17, inshallah. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.